a symphony of single-cylinder thump, classic British engineering, and a legacy forged in the crucible of time. The 1961 Royal Enfield Bullet 350 is not merely a motorcycle, it's a rolling testament to an era of unadulterated mechanical riding pleasure. Long before the digital dashboards and electronic aids of today, this machine offered a visceral connection between rider, road, and engine that continues to captivate enthusiasts and collectors worldwide. In an age where motorcycles are often defined by their blistering speeds and cutting-edge technology, the 1961 Bullet 350 is a proud anomaly. It hails from a time when motorcycles were built with a different philosophy, one of rugged simplicity, unwavering reliability, and a character hammered into its very metal. To understand the allure of the 61 Bullet is to take a journey back to the genesis of modern motorcycling, a journey that begins in Redditch, England, and finds its enduring soul in the vibrant landscape of India. A tale of two continents, the Redditch legacy and the Indian dawn. By 1961, the Royal Enfield Bullet had cemented its reputation as a formidable machine. Born in 1932, it evolved through World War II's rigors and the demanding trials of post-war civilian life. The 1961 model represents a pivotal moment in the Bullet's lineage. While still embodying the quintessential British design, the seeds of its future had already been sown on distant shores. In 1955, a landmark agreement saw the commencement of bullet assembly in Madras, now Chennai, India, to fulfill a large order for the Indian Army. This marked a new chapter for the iconic motorcycle. While the Redditch factory would eventually cease production in 1967, the Indian operations ensured the Bullet's survival, making it the longest-running motorcycle model in history. The 1961 model, therefore, is a unique blend of this transitional period, a British-designed classic with a burgeoning global legacy. The heart of the matter, specifications and the riding experience. At the core of the 1961 Bullet 350 lies its beating heart, a 346cc single-cylinder, four-stroke, overhead valve open powerhouse that was designed for not outright speed, but for a steady, torque-rich delivery, making it a versatile companion for city commutes and countryside jaunts. Made it to a four-speed Albion gearbox, complete with the delightfully quirky neutral finder, the riding experience was an engaging affair. Key specifications of the 1961 Royal Enfield Bullet 350. Engine, 346cc, single-cylinder, four-stroke, air-cooled OVH. Power, approximately 18 brake horsepower. Transmission, 4-speed constant mesh with right foot gear shift. Frame, single down tube, using the engine as a stressed member. Suspension, telescopic front forks and a swing arm rear with twin shock absorbers. Brakes, drum brakes, front and rear. Riding a 1961 Bullet is a lesson in mindfulness. Every gear change is deliberate, and every engine throb constantly reminds you of the mechanical marvel at work beneath you. The seating is upright and commanding, offering a panoramic view of the road ahead. By modern standards, the handling is deliberate, requiring the rider to actively participate in the dance between man and machine. It's a motorcycle that doesn't just take you from point A to point B, it involves you in every moment of the journey. The cultural impact, from military workhorse to cult classic. The Royal Enfield Bullet's influence extends far beyond its technical specifications. In India, it became more than just a mode of transport. It evolved into a cultural icon. It was the trusted steed of the armed forces, the reliable companion for cross-country adventurers, and a symbol of rugged individuality. Its distinctive thump became the soundtrack of a nation on the move. The 1961 model holds a special place for collectors and classic motorcycle enthusiasts. It represents the pinnacle of British-era bullets, a machine built with a highly sought-after level of craftsmanship and material quality. The joy of owning a 61 Bullet lies not just in its ride, but also in its restoration and preservation. A thriving global community of owners and restorers is a testament to the enduring passion for this iconic machine.